Top 10 most popular foods around the world. 10. Ramen, Japan. Origin date. Arrived in Japan from China in the early 1900s. Price. $2 to $3 for street ramen. $10 to $20 in ramen box. Location. Japan, USA, South Korea, Europe. Taste. Savory, rich, sometimes spicy, full of umami. Trivia. Japan even has a ramen museum where you can try regional variations from across the country. Ramen started as a simple noodle soup but has become one of the world's favorite comforts. Origin date. Arrived in Japan from China in the early 1900s. Price. $2 to $3 for street ramen. $10 to $20 in ramen bars. Origin date. Arrived in Japan from China in the early 1900s. Price. $2 to $3 for street ramen. $10 to $20 in ramen bars. Location. Japan, USA, South Korea, Europe. Taste. Savory, rich, sometimes spicy, full of umami. Trivia. Japan even has a ramen museum where you can try regional variations from across the country. Ramen started as a simple noodle soup but has become one of the world's favorite comfort foods. 9. Tacos, Mexico. Origin date. 18th century Mexico. First eaten by silver miners. Price. $1 to $3 on the street. Up to $10 in restaurants. Location. Mexico, USA, and spreading fast worldwide. Taste. Fresh, spicy, tangy, and savory. Trivia. There's actually a taco in Guinness World Records that weighed over 750 kilograms, 1,650 pounds. Tacos are proof that great food doesn't need to be complicated. 8. Croissant, France. Origin date. Inspired by Austria's Kipfel in the 1600s, perfected in France in the 1800s. Price. $1 to $3 in bakeries, $5 to $8 in cafes. Location. France, Europe, US, Asia. Taste. Buttery, flaky, slightly sweet. Trivia. The crescent shape of croissants was inspired by the Ottoman Empire's flag after Austria's victory over the Turks in 1683. Croissants are not just breakfast, they're a symbol of European culture. 7. Fried chicken, USA and Korea. Origin date. American South, 1800. Reinvented in Korea in the 1970s. Price. $5 to $10 in fast food, $15 to $20 in restaurants. Location. USA, South Korea, worldwide. Taste. Crunchy outside, juicy inside, seasoned and sauced. Trivia. KFC is one of the first American fast food chains to open in China, and today it has more branches in China than the US. From Kentucky to Seoul, fried chicken is crispy happiness on a plate. 6. Curry, India and beyond. 5. Pasta, Italy. Origin date. Ancient dough, influenced by Chinese noodles, perfected in Italy. Price. $5 to $12 average. Gourmet versions $20 plus. Location. Italy, USA, and worldwide. Taste. Creamy, cheesy, tangy, garlicky, endless variations. Trivia. There are over 350 different pasta shapes, each designed to hold sauce in a unique way. Pasta is one of the few foods that has truly conquered every kitchen in the world. 4. Sushi, Japan. Origin date. Japan, 8th century. Modern sushi from 1800s Tokyo. Price. $5 to $10 roll, $50 plus omakase dining. Location. Japan, USA, Europe, Asia. Taste. Fresh, delicate, balanced with umami and a sub-kick. Trivia. The most expensive sushi ever sold cost $1,978 and was wrapped in 24-karat gold leaf. Sushi is where precision meets perfection. Origin date. USA, early 1900s, inspired by Hamburg steak. Price. $3 to $5 fast food, $15 plus gourmet. Location. USA, global fast food and restaurants. Tastes. Juicy, smoky, savory, customizable. Vivid. The world's largest burger ever made weighed 2,014 pounds and took 16 hours to cook. The burger is the king of handheld meals. Food. Pizza, Italy. Origin date. Naples, 1700s, as affordable food for workers. Price. $5 to $10 for classics, $20 plus for gourmet. Location. Italy, USA, worldwide chains. Taste. Cheesy, tangy, smoky, customizable. Trivia. The margherita pizza was named after Queen Margherita of Italy in 1889 to match the Italian flag colors: red tomato, white mozzarella, and green basil. Pizza is the food that brings people together. 1. Rice dishes, global. Origin date. First cultivated in China over 10,000 years ago. Price. $1 to $3 basic, $10 to $15 specialty edition. Location. Asia, Africa, Latin America, global. Taste. Neutral, versatile, absorbs flavors of spices, sauces, or broths. Trivia. More than half of the world's population eats rice every single day. In Japan, the word for cooked rice, gohan, also means meal. Rice is the heartbeat of global cuisine, simple, versatile, and essential. So there you have it, the top 10 most popular foods around the world, complete with their origin, prices, tastes, and even some surprising trivia. Food is more than fuel, it's history, culture, and joy shared around the table. Which of these foods is your favorite, and which one do you want to try next? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food adventures. See you next time.